Which is the longest river in India? Answer. A. Ganga. The Ganga River is the longest river in India, flowing for about 2,525 kilometers from the Himalayas to the Bay of Bengal. Which mountain range separates northern India from the Tibetan Plateau? Answer. C. Himalayas. The Himalayas act as a natural barrier between India and Tibet, influencing climate and preventing cold winds from entering India. The Thar Desert is mainly located in which state? Answer. B. Rajasthan. The Thar Desert, also called the Great Indian Desert, is primarily in Rajasthan, covering about 200,000 square km. Which is the largest freshwater lake in India? Answer. A. Vula Lake. Vula Lake, located in Jammu and Kashmir, is the largest freshwater lake in India. Which is the highest peak in India? Answer. B. Kanchenjunga. Kanchenjunga, 8,586 meters, is the highest peak in India, located in Sikkim. The Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats meet at which hills? Answer. B. Nilgiri Hills. The Nilgiri Hills in Tamil Nadu form the junction of the Western and Eastern Ghats. The Sundarbans Delta is formed by which two rivers? Answer. A. Ganga and Brahmaputra. The Sundarbans, the world's largest delta, is formed by the confluence of the Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers. Which river is known as the Dakshin Ganga? Answer. A. Godavari. The Godavari, the longest river in peninsular India, is called the Dakshin Ganga due to its vast drainage basin. Which of the following rivers originates from the Amarkantak Plateau? Answer. A. Narmada. The Narmada River originates from the Amarkantak Plateau in Madhya Pradesh. The Tropic of Cancer passes through how many Indian states? A. 6. B. 7. C. 8. D. 9. Answer. C. 8. The Khasi and Jaintia Hills are located in which state? Answer. C. Meghalaya. The Khasi, Jaintia, and Garo Hills are located in Meghalaya. Which river is called the Sorrow of Bihar? Answer. B. Kosi. The Kosi River frequently changes its course, causing devastating floods in Bihar. What is the largest saltwater lake in India? Answer. A. Chilika Lake. Chilika Lake, located in Orissa, is India's largest saltwater lake. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are separated by which water body? Answer. A. 10 degrees channel. The 10 degrees channel separates the Andaman Islands from the Nicobar Islands. The Aravalli Range extends through which states? Answer. A. Rajasthan, Haryana, Delhi, Gujarat. The Aravalli Range runs from Gujarat to Delhi, passing through Rajasthan and Haryana. In which state is the Silent Valley National Park located? Answer. B. Kerala. Silent Valley National Park is located in Kerala and is known for its biodiversity. What type of soil is most suitable for cotton cultivation? Answer. A. Black soil. Black soil, also known as Regur soil, retains moisture and is ideal for cotton farming. Which is the highest waterfall in India? Answer. D. Kunchikal Falls. Kunchikal Falls in Karnataka is the highest waterfall in India, with a height of about 455 meters. Which state has the longest coastline in India? Answer. C. Gujarat. Gujarat has the longest coastline in India, approximately 1,600 kilometers. Which river is known as Bengal's Sorrow? Answer. A. Damodar. The Damodar River causes frequent floods in West Bengal, earning it the name Bengal's Sorrow. Which is the only active volcano in India? Answer. B. Barren Island. Barren Island in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands is India's only active volcano. The Western Ghats are also known as? Answer. A. Sahyadri Hills. The Western Ghats are also called the Sahyadri Hills and extend from Gujarat to Kerala. What is the largest plateau in India? Answer. B. Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau is the largest plateau in India, covering most of peninsular India. Which is the longest dam in India? Answer. A. Hirakud Dam. The Hirakud Dam in Orissa is the longest dam in India, measuring about 25.8 kilometers. What is the average height of the Himalayas? Answer. B. 6,000 meters. The average height of the Himalayas is around 6,000 meters. The western coastal plain is divided into how many parts? Answer. B. 3. The western coastal plain consists of the Konkan coast, Malabar coast, and Karnataka coast. Which river is called the lifeline of Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat? Answer. B. Narmada. The Narmada River flows through Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat and is a major source of irrigation and hydroelectric power. Which city is called the Queen of the Hills? Answer. D. Mussoorie. Mussoorie Hill Station is known as the Queen of the Hills. The Chota Nagpur Plateau is rich in which mineral? Answer. C. Iron ore. The Chota Nagpur Plateau in Jharkhand is rich in iron ore and coal deposits. The Gir forest is famous for which animal? Answer. B. Asiatic lion. Gir forest in Gujarat is the only habitat of the Asiatic lion. The Indira Point is the southernmost point of India located in. Answer. B. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Indira Point is the southernmost tip of the Nicobar Islands. Which river forms the boundary between Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh? Answer. C. Narmada. The Narmada River forms a boundary between Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. Which lake in India is known as the floating lake? Answer. B. Loktak Lake. Loktak Lake in Manipur is called the floating lake due to its Fumdis, floating vegetation. Which is the highest peak in South India? Answer. A. Animudi. Animudi, 2695 meters in Kerala is the highest peak in South India. Which soil type is predominant in the Indo-Gangetic Plains? Answer. B. Alluvial soil. The Indo-Gangetic Plains are mainly composed of fertile alluvial soil. The Gulf of Mannar is located between. Answer. A. India and Sri Lanka. The Gulf of Mannar lies between Tamil Nadu, India, and Sri Lanka. Which is the second longest river in India? Answer. C. Godavari. The Godavari, 1465 kilometers, is the second longest river in India after the Ganga. Which of the following rivers does not form a delta? Answer. B. Narmada. The Narmada River forms an estuary, not a delta, as it flows into the Arabian Sea. Which of these passes connects Himachal Pradesh and Tibet? Answer. D. Shipkila. Shipkila connects Himachal Pradesh with Tibet, China. The Koleru Lake is located in which state? Answer. B. Andhra Pradesh. Koleru Lake, one of India's largest freshwater lakes, is located in Andhra Pradesh. Which state is the largest producer of mica in India? Answer. C. Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is the largest producer of mica in India. The Nanda Devi Peak is located in which state? Answer. B. Uttarakhand. Nanda Devi, 7,816 meters, is the second highest peak in India, located in Uttarakhand. Which region is known as the land of five rivers? Answer. C. Punjab. Punjab is called the land of five rivers due to the Satluj, Beas, Ravi, Chenab, and Jhelum. The Indian Standard Time, IST, is based on which longitude? Answer. B. 82.5 degrees east. The IST is based on the 82.5 degrees east longitude, passing through Mirzapur, Uttar Pradesh. The Siachen Glacier is located in which mountain range? Answer. B. Karakoram. Siachen Glacier, the highest battlefield in the world, is located in the Karakoram range. Which of the following rivers is a tributary of the Ganga? Answer. C. Yamuna. The Yamuna is the longest tributary of the Ganga river. The Satpura range is located between which two rivers? Answer. B. Narmada and Tapti. The Satpura range lies between the Narmada and Tapti rivers in central India. Which line divides India into two equal halves? Answer. B. Tropic of Cancer. The Tropic of Cancer, 23 degrees 26 feet N, passes through 8 Indian states and divides India into tropical and subtropical zones. Which country shares the longest land border with India? Answer. C. Bangladesh. India shares a 4,096 kilometers long border with Bangladesh, the longest among its neighboring countries. What is the total length of India's coastline? Answer. B. 7,516.6 kilometers. India has a total coastline of 7,516.6 kilometers, including the mainland and islands. India is located in which hemisphere? Answer. B. Northern and Eastern. India is in the Northern Hemisphere and Eastern Hemisphere due to its latitudinal and longitudinal position. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are situated in which water body? Answer. A. Bay of Bengal. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in the Bay of Bengal, near the Myanmar and Thailand coasts. The westernmost point of India is located in which state? Answer. B. Gujarat. The westernmost point of India is Guwahati Moti in Gujarat. What is India's rank in the world in terms of area? Answer. D. 7th. India is the 7th largest country in the world by area, 3.28 million square kilometers. The Indira Point, the southernmost point of India, is located in which island? Answer. B. Great Nicobar. Indira Point, the southernmost tip of India, is located on Great Nicobar Island. The Lakshadweep Islands are located in which sea? Answer. B. Arabian Sea. Lakshadweep Islands are located in the Arabian Sea off the Kerala coast. What is the total land area of India? Answer. A. 3.28 million square kilometers. India's total land area is 3.28 million square kilometers, making it the 7th largest country in the world. Which of the following states shares a border with both Nepal and Bhutan? Answer. C. Sikkim. Sikkim is the only state that shares a border with both Nepal and Bhutan. The Great Nicobar Island is closest to which country? Answer: B. Indonesia. The Great Nicobar Island is closest to Indonesia's Sumatra Island. The easternmost state of India is? Answer: A. Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh is the easternmost state of India. What percentage of the world's total land area does India cover? Answer: B. 2.4%. India covers 2.4% of the world's total land area.